Hi, Gary Mackey here today with Associated Equipment. I want to talk to you about some exciting news that we've developed in our new line of heavy-duty wheel chargers. The chargers that you've been familiar with and using in your shops for years have been upgraded with a microprocessor controller, so they are now safe for AGM batteries. Our 6012 is now a 6012 AGM. Our 6009 is now a 6009 AGM, and our 6006 is now a 6006 AGM. These chargers have a microprocessor controller that controls the charging voltage. There's nearly 100 million cars on the road today and trucks that have an AGM battery. Those batteries are very sensitive to overcharging. A conventional charger that only charges seal lead acid batteries will damage those batteries very, very quickly. These now have a setting on it that says AGM safe on every one of these, so we can safely do AGM batteries without overcharging them. We've also upgraded the warranty on these chargers. Before they were a 1-year warranty with a 5-year limited. Today we have a bumper-to-bumper 2-year warranty on all of these products, covering anything that'll go wrong with the charger for 2 years, and an extended 5-year limited warranty that covers the rectifier and the transformer for 5 years. That's the expensive part of a battery charger today. We also are taking care of our older customers that have had these chargers. Any charger that's been bought in the 2 years is automatically grandfathered into the 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. We've got the best warranty on the best chargers in the industry. Thanks for listening.